Alrighty.
You are vengeance, you are the night, you are Batman. Enjoy the flight. Welcome riders at this time you start unbuckling those seatbelts. And as soon as the ride comes to a stop, push up on those yellow bars.
This is a Nick ride.
Thank you for riding Batman. The ride.
It's upside down like flags.
I'll be like, I'm most of something just watching.
Uh-oh.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Here we go.
Alrighty.
Backwards.
Oh jeez.
Oh, forwards. No!
Oh Jesus. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh jeez. That was crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I kept saying holy shit.
That was really good.